Hi, Tony here again from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we're looking at Geberit fill valves and how to change the washers. Right, we're now doing the Type 360. So you can see here that the main thing we need to dismantle is this little arm. Get that out of the way. And then here, this just turns clockwise, a quarter turn. And out she comes. And as you can see there, the washer's actually on the end of that. Sometimes it might get stuck inside here, so it might sit like that and you might have to get it out. Sometimes it's on there. Now we're looking at the Type 380. Again here we just need to undo a little clip that holds the float. Again, this one is anti-clockwise turn. Again, there's the washer to renew. Back in, clockwise lock, reconnect, simple as that. Next on the list is the Type 340. Again, similar scenario, but this one here, you don't have to undo the rod. This has got, again, twisting anti-clockwise, as you can see. The washer can be changed without dismantling the rod. Back in, twist back. And lastly, the Type 380 with the side fill. Usual again, undo, unclip it. This one is again anti-clockwise. Out she comes. It's left the washer in there, but there she is. Back in and clip up.